Are you struggling to grow on Instagram right now as a DJ and producer? If you are, I've got a brand new Instagram Reels challenge for you today. Let's jump in. Hey, it's Graham Farmer from Data Transmission. It's been a while since we've been chatting on YouTube like this. I know we've done lots of interviews and we've put out lots of content on Twitch, and I'm a Twitch partner. I've been since May. That time has flown by. It's been mad. We've had so much fun on Twitch, and if you like watching live interviews, like being part of A&R sessions and demo listening sessions and Instagram audit sessions, come and join us on Twitch. The link's below in the card below and the bio below. It's great fun on Twitch, and we stream on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. On Fridays, we do New Music Friday, and essentially we play all the brand new releases for that day. It's wicked fun, and we support loads of new artists, loads of up-and-coming DJs and producers, and I love it so much. Today on YouTube, I want to talk about Instagram. I want to talk about Instagram and Instagram growth. I know a lot of people are struggling to grow on Instagram right now. I know a lot of people are struggling to make content on Instagram. And I thought I'd talk about Instagram Reels because they're literally one of the biggest growth platforms and growth areas still on Instagram today. The reach for small producers and DJs and small audiences is mad. We've had DJs and producers getting thousands and thousands of video views and thousands of interactions on Reels for their accounts that have got less than 5,000 people or less than 1,000 people. We're still getting, 4,000, 5,000 views, which is mad. So the reach on the platform on Instagram Reels is crazy. So what I thought I'd do is firstly, I'd start an Instagram Reels challenge, which I've created for DJs and producers specifically for them. I've made a download, which again is in the description below. Go and download it. It gives you some ideas about content, and it also gives you some tips for making Reels and tells you all about the challenge. I thought today we'd just talk about Reels in general. So Instagram Reels, they've got their own algorithm. They're supporting small creators. It's great for small creators. They're really good and really quick and easy to make. You make them in-app or you can make them in your phone. They're great when they loop, obviously, because then it loops and loops and loops, which for DJs and producers, we make loopable music. So it's perfect for you. It's really cool. So it's a great platform for you getting your music heard, getting you as a DJ heard. Across the last 18 months, I've seen DJs and producers blow up and be getting mad gigs just from filming themselves on Instagram Reels every day, playing records, DJing, doing tricks and tips, and generally just making great content that's seen them get hundreds of thousands of views on Instagram Reels, and then that turn into actual physical gigs because you're showing the world that you can DJ, showing the world that you can be a producer, showing the world your music, and it's turning into gigs for these artists, which is incredible. Instagram Reels are great because it has its own algorithm and it supports small creators, as I said. Also, Instagram are pushing it, and you can tell they're pushing it the most because if you look at the app, open up the app and fire it open, where is the Instagram Reels button? It's right by your thumb. The button you're going to post the most, it's right there. Also now in search, there's a separate section for Reels. You'll see Reels come up in Explore. They're really pushing it. It's the biggest part of discovery, apart from obviously Instagram Rooms, which we'll talk about in another video. Right now, Reels, Rooms, great for discoverability, great for growth. Audience builder and audience engagement, posts, videos, carousels. So keep them very separate. Think about your strategy. As I mentioned, it's great for DJs and producers. Fire it open, makes quick content, and can really, really ramp up your numbers really, really quickly. So I've created an Instagram Reels challenge. You have to create a reel every day for 10 days. And what this is going to do, it's going to create habits that will continue growing past the 10 days. It's going to create some goals for yourself to make these reels. It's going to make you think about creating content. What are you going to create first and foremost? What's going to be your 10? What is your niche? And when people talk about niche, DJs, it's you and your music. And also think about it, if you're a DJ, you're playing other people's music. So it could be other people's music. You could be showing other people's music you're into as a DJ. You could be playing their tracks in the clubs, but you also want to be playing their tracks on Instagram. Why not? It's curating and educating and entertaining people with the music you love. So do that in Instagram and Instagram Reels. If you've got a release, time this challenge around your release. Create 10 reels for your release. What are you going to do? You know, it doesn't have to be you dancing. And people always think these TikToks and Reels have to be you dancing. No, there's plenty of people already dancing. Download them and put your music on that reel and upload it for yourself. You know that reel is already getting reach because you can see it has. Download it. You know, I use a Repost Plus app. It's really cool. Downloads it and then I re-upload it and I use Instagram Reels own audio and connect it to the audio that I've released and it lines it up. Or you can do the really good way, download the video, put it in your computer, add the audio, make it all sync up properly, re-upload it. There's already dancers on there, use them. Producers, if you're releasing a record, do a track breakdown, walk through the track, bass, kick, synths, vocal, how it all came together, talk through it. What Instagram Reels really loves is it really loves your face. So talk to the camera. I've got a brand new radio show today. I've got my podcast is coming out today. I'm playing at so-and-so place. If you can do it right in front of the club, when you get there, hey, I'm at so-and-so, I'm playing it tonight. They're gonna love it. Those that are producers and DJs that are a little bit scared about being in front of camera, come on, you can do this. Just start with doing stories and then get to Reels. Talk in front of the camera. Reels loves it, Instagram's platform loves it, and the algorithm loves it, and you're gonna see much bigger results. Also, people are gonna see your face and interact with you and then become more aware of who you are. So when they're coming to see you, they've got a better connection. I mean, you're gonna be in front of them anyway, so why not do it on social media? That's the challenge, 10 Reels, 10 days. Can you do it? Are you gonna be involved? Grab the link below, grab the PDF from below and get involved with this Reels challenge. Use the hashtag Blueprint Reels Challenge. Tag me in the comments at Graham Farmer and I will share loads of them to my stories. I'll help you grow them. I'll get involved with in the comments and really let's push this challenge. And anyone that's also involved in this, go to the hashtag and see who else is posting Reels and be involved in their comments because comments, saves and shares are going to help these Reels get further and get more views. So if you're posting them and you're being part of the challenge, being part of everyone's challenge. Let's make this massive community on Blueprint Reels Challenge hashtag. And let's see what happens. Let's go for it. Start the new year with bigger Instagram accounts and let's go for it. I've been Graham Farmer and I'll see you either on Twitch or in the next YouTube video. See you soon. Bye.